with Bossing Well, introducing to you our updated models and our new models also. But in the meantime, just as an overview lang, ito po si Verbena Max. Alright, so in our earlier vlogs, basically ang na-feature po ni Boss Well is basically yung parang bumblebee na verbena, no? Yung parang color na combo color natin. So that was what you call the verbena. Ito naman si Verbena Max, no? So it's basically mas mataas yung capacity ng baterya niya, mas mataas yung motor niya. It's still a slow speed vehicle, it can go as much as 50 kilometers per hour. Pero it's a much bigger vehicle, no? It's a much bigger electric vehicle. And just in case kung ilagay natin yung gas range extender natin sa loob,
yan siya.
ang ibig kong sabihin nun is you will be able to, for example, kung malapit na mag-ubos yung baterya,
Galing talaga.
you will be able to load, like you'll be able to put gas, and that will basically help charge your battery. Okay? So our price for this is 649,000 pesos, and we already have affiliations with a good number of banks, and we can do down
Gusto niya yung
payments
isa.
from anywhere from 35,000 to 50,000 pesos.
Nawala na.